Hi. With Fireworks Gallery exhibitions rotating every 6 weeks, it's also important that the artists and the visitors can access our large stockrooms. You can start here on the ground floor. It's a pretty broad range of artworks from over 70 artists and art centres that we work with. Artist slideshows, videos and information can be viewed at the gallery as well as online, Facebook, the web and Instagram. And our dedicated Works on Paper room includes limited edition prints, drawings and photographic works. Moving upstairs, the stockroom viewing continues.